Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own Postal 2 and making a full backup of the game folder. This protects your install if anything fails. Once done, install a mod manager or a file archive tool so you can open pak/wad/zip game archives. Next, locate the shotgun assets inside the game data, models, textures, and sounds, and note their version or checksum. This matters because you must match formats and avoid mismatched replacements that will break the game. You now replace assets carefully. Extract originals into a working folder and preserve file names and folder structure so the game recognizes them. Then convert or adapt the beta shotgun files to the same formats, polygon counts, and texture sizes as the originals, because format mismatch causes errors. Once matched, package the replacements into a separate mod package using your mod manager rather than overriding core files. This lets you enable or disable the beta shotgun without corrupt. You finish by enabling the mod and launching Postal 2 to test the beta shotgun across maps and actions. Check animations, sounds, and ammo behavior. If the game crashes or the weapon is missing, immediately disable the mod and restore your backup, then review the game log to spot missing dependencies or format errors. Make sure to clear any game cache or temp files, and if problems persist, confirm the replacement files exactly match the original versions and repackage them before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.